rotary drilling rig is the model of SUNWRD420. Let me tell you more details about it. This rotary drilling rig is made in 2019 and it has only worked for 2,000 hours. It's really in good condition. About 420 km per meter and is powered by the Cummins engine with the max diameter drill depth 106 meters and with the diameter 25,000 millimeters. This rotary drilling rig is really a good choice for your drilling foundation work.